Alright, so we've installed the RX starter motor to the RX-7 FD. According to the forums and a few people I spoke to, including my buddy Joey who has one, the RX-8 motor should start this car much faster. Now this is the first of the process. I'm also adding a battery, which should help a little bit also. So we're gonna try cold start now. Let's click it on. So far nothing is burnt up, so no electrical fire. I guess that's a plus. And we're gonna try this and see how it goes. Oh yeah, definitely starts faster. Ooh, I think definitely fires up faster for sure. Okay, let's try it again. Let's see. Yes sir, very good, very good. Thank you, Erica, for putting it, greasing it all up and cleaning it all up. Awesome. Okay, we are here again in FD. We have now installed the Antigravity ATX 30 HD battery. It should start. It's a lithium battery, by the way. Let me go back. It's a lithium battery. So this is gonna be a hot start. I've already driven the car a little while, and I just returned. As you can see, there's raindrops on the car. We're gonna do a hot start, and the RX-8 starter is in. So we got the RX-8 starter in, and we have the anti-gravity battery. Let's see how it goes. Listen to this hot start. How do you like that? Nice. Okay, let's try another cold start. Cold start. Actually, I like a hard start.